We'll see a band of fog all along the west coast of southern Africa on Wednesday, with a mostly cloudy day over the southwestern part of the country and possibly even some light rain or drizzle. We're forecasting windy conditions over parts of the Free State and the northwest, mainly on Wednesday morning, with a sizzling hot day over much of the Northern Cape, Free State and the northwest, with those daytime highs heading into the upper 30s. Over the eastern part of the country, we'll see isolated thundershowers and showers forming in the afternoon, with a warm day for KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map with scattered thunderstorms in the forecast over northern KwaZulu-Natal and southeastern Mpumalanga, with isolated thundershowers expected for Gauteng, as well as parts of the northwest, Limpopo and the Free State, as well as the rest of Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. And with all of that moisture and low cloud in the southwest, we're putting in a slight chance of light rain or drizzle. Here's our maximum temperature map with that sizzling hot forecast for Uppington, Kimberley, Mahikeng and Bloemfontein, all in the upper 30s, with a hot day for Gauteng at 32 and 34 for Johannesburg and Pretoria. We're expecting a high of 32 for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay, Graafrenet and Daar in the mid-30s, but then slightly cooler weather in the west due to that cloud and fog, 26 degrees for Vredendal and Cape Town at 24. Now with that fog, we're expecting moderate beach conditions along the west coast with a light southwesterly wind for Alexander Bay and Namaqualand. We're still expecting an onshore flow for Lambert's Bay and Longabond, but in a westerly and southwesterly direction, with a 1.5 meter southwesterly open ocean swell and wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. Moderate beach conditions are expected for Cape Town, both on the False Bay and Atlantic side, with mostly cloudy weather and a slight chance of rainfall, with a southwesterly wind in the afternoon, but more of a northeasterly in the morning. And we're expecting a west-southwesterly wind of between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with a 2 meter southwesterly swell and a swell period of 13 seconds. We're forecasting good beach conditions along the south coast with a southwesterly wind of up to 20 kilometers per hour for Plettenberg Bay. More of a northeasterly though for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with a 2 meter southwesterly swell and wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Along the east coast, we'll see a northeasterly wind extend all the way through to Richards Bay, reaching up to 35 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. Good beach conditions for Durban and the Wild Coast, even though we're expecting isolated thundershowers in the afternoon. Moderate though for Richards Bay, with a higher chance of rainfall and a 1.5 meter swell with wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
News that moves. eNCA.com.